Let's review some data on healthcare-associated infections. HAI, or healthcare-associated infection, is defined as infections that patients get while or soon after receiving healthcare. About 1 in 31 hospital patients have an HAI on any given day. Remember, HAI stands for Healthcare-Associated Infection. According to the Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion, up to 270,000 patients die each year from HIs. Healthcare providers like you who follow the proper infection control protocols can have a big impact.